हाय एवरीवन, मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब बहुत ही बढ़िया होंगे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं देन हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति और आज मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने वाली हूँ एक ऐसे कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड से जो बनाती है नॉन टॉक्सिक नेल पेंट्स। So the brand that I'm talking about is called Moraze, and this is how their nail paints look like. I have 4 of them, which are the metallic nail paints, but of course you can also find neon and more colorful nail paints in the range. And then I also have their bi-phase nail paint remover. So before we get into reviewing about these Moraze nail paints and nail paint remover, I first quickly want to tell you guys about what this brand is all about and 12 free nail paints क्या होते हैं, उनके फ़ायदे क्या होते हैं. So yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching. So सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगी what are 12 free nail paints. So basically जो ट्रेडिशनल नेल पेंट्स होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे हार्मफुल केमिकल्स होते हैं. जो 3 सबसे बड़े हार्मफुल केमिकल्स होते हैं दोज आर फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, टॉलिन एंड डीबीपी. इनके लॉन्ग टर्म यूज से आपको काफ़ी सीरियस हेल्थ हज़ार्ड्स हो सकते हैं जैसे कि अस्थमा, इनफर्टिलिटी एंड इवन कैंसर. लाइक मैं यहाँ पे फेयर मॉन्गरिंग करने का कोशिश नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ. ये सब एक स्टडी में प्रूवन है. इफ़ यू वांट आई कैन ऑल्सो लीव द लिंक to those study in my description box below, so you can go ahead check them out. So now that customers are becoming aware and conscious, they are trying to avoid these kind of nail paints that are full of toxins. तो non toxic nail paints में भी बहुत तरह के chemical free nail paints आते हैं. Like there are 3 free, 5 free, 7 free, 10 free, and then we have finally 12 free nail paints. So these 3, 5, 7, 10, 12 are the numbers that indicate what your nail paint is free from, like what are the number of chemicals that it is free of. So बहुत सारे brands हैं which are making these nail paints, but they have been making it till 7 free. और जो Moraze Cosmetics के nail paint हैं they are about 12 free chemicals. So these nail paints are vegan, cruelty free, non-toxic and of course safe for your nails. Now they have 3 major ranges in these. They have a mini range which contains a lot of bright colors that are great for any occasion and are available for just ₹139. And then of course you also get a full size in the same bright range. And then we have a nude range which contains more subtle and beautiful colors for everyday wear. This retails for ₹299. And then finally we have these Pearl Magic nail paints which are metallic nail paints और ये इतना खूबसूरत लगता है. Like if you are going on a party, they look very beautiful. I have them on my nails right now. So this one retails for ₹279. Of course you can score them in some or the other discount, but ये अभी बस Moraze Cosmetics के website पे ही available है. I hope they soon make it available on more other websites because that would be, I mean, so much more convenient. 2 coats में इसका पूरा opacity आ जाता है, which is a good thing. और अगर मैं इसके चिप होने की बात करूँ तो ये आपके nail paints पे काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक रहता है. But या 7th day होते होते तक I saw a little bit of chipping. Like I'll just insert a clip of that कि आप देख सकते हो. मैंने 7 day अपडेट भी लिया था अबाउट these nail paints, तो थोड़ा सा ये nail paints रिमूव हो रहा है, बट इट्स नॉट क्रेजी. सो आई क्वाइट लाइक दैट. मैं बहुत दिन से ये nail paints यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई हैव सीन नो येलोनेस ऑन माई नेल्स व्हाटसोएवर, क्योंकि मेरा nail paints के साथ यही एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम रहता है कि वो नेल्स को येलो कर देती हैं एंड इट ऑल्सो लीव्स देम crusty dry. मतलब लाइक इतना ज़्यादा ड्राई कर देती हैं टू द एक्सटेंट दैट इट लुक्स एंड फील्स वेरी डैमेज टू मी. मेरे पास जो शेड्स हैं वो है Cuddle Undercoat which is a dull silver color. Then I have Glam Pink which is a baby pink metallic shade. And then I have the shade Pastel Melody which is a gunmetal sort of a shade. इसमें हल्का सा blue tinge भी है. And then I have the shade Glam Goddess which is a beautiful gold color. And yes, the shades are really pretty as well. Now about the Moraze bi-phase nail paint removers. As the name suggests, they are bi-phase, so they also have some oil and the makeup remover जिसको आपको ऐसे shake करना होता है to activate it, and this way you can remove your nail paint. आपके nail paint remover में भी काफ़ी chemicals हो सकते हैं and these biphasic ones really ensure कि आपके nails dry नहीं हो रहे हैं because इसमें jojoba oil and green tea extracts हैं. So it keeps your nails nourished and moisturized. It easily removes your nail paint in just one go. I will make sure to leave the link of these nail paints in my description box below, so make sure you check them out. Or I would really want to see Moraze coming up with more sort of nail paints like chunky glitter nail paints, matte nail paints. I would love to see them coming up with these. So yes, that will be it for me today's video. मुझे उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा और ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. And if it was, then make sure you give this video a like and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.